Hey everybody, good morning. It is like just about 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm at Walgreens. It is raining outside, so I'm going to try to do as much as I can in the store as long as we don't have to listen to Welcome to Walgreens, which a lot of you guys think that's hilarious. They do it because this is a 24-hour store and it goes until 8 o'clock in the morning. You guys have no idea how many times I have to redo the video because of Welcome to Walgreens. Welcome to Walgreens. But anyways, there is a lot of IBOTTA deals, and I did ask, the first thing I did when I came into the store to see if their system was working, and she said yes, because last week you guys have no idea how mad I was. But anyways, let's go throughout the store, show you guys some deals, and let's have fun shopping. So here we have the Dial body wash. The women's Dial is 2 for $8, along with the men's Dial 2 for $8. Now we do have currently a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can end up using. You'll pay $10 for 3 of them, but here you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 items. Plus there is an IBOTTA rebate where you get $1 back times 3. So altogether you'll get 3 bottles of the Dial body wash for just $2 or 66 cents each. Here we have the Crest Toothpaste on sale this week for $3, along with some of the $3 toothbrushes. Now I actually have 2 different digital coupons. I have a $2 off digital coupon. You guys can use that $2 off digital, or we also have a paper, however you want to do it. But I have a $2 off digital coupon, and then I also have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You will end up just paying $4 for 3 of them, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 products, making it a $1 moneymaker. Here we have the Burt's Bees toothpaste. This is an all-month deal, but the coupons do go until this Saturday. So they're $4 on sale, and we currently have $2 off insert coupons from the P&G from last week. So you'd buy 2 of them, you'd pay $4, but when you purchase the 2, you get a $5 register reward, making this a $1 moneymaker. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste and toothbrushes. There is no coupon for the mouthwash, but there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do. We have the toothpaste for $3.99, and you want to use a $2 off digital coupon. We also have the toothbrushes for $3.99, and you guys want to use a $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying just $3.98 when you buy 2 of these. You got to buy one and the other. And then you get a $4 cash rewards. This is a deal where you can pay with rewards and get rewards back. So you get $4 cash rewards back, making them for free. Now, we also have the $2.99 ones. When I scanned that, I did get that $2 off. So it's either the $3.99 deal or the $2.99 deal that you can do with these digital coupons. But you want to use that $2 off digital. Now I did scan one of the $2.99 toothpaste. You might have to just figure out what one would work for the $2 off digital coupon. If you get one to work for the $2.99 digital coupon, you end up paying just $1.98, but then you get a $2 register reward, making them for free. My opinion, the better deal is the $3.99 deal because you get cash rewards, and those last a lot longer than the register rewards. Here we have some Bic pens for $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off. Now we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You end up just getting both of them for $1.48. That's just 74 cents each. Otherwise for these ones, these would probably be about 50 cents more. So it just depends on how you guys want it. They also have tons of school supplies. Like here they have some Papermate pens for just 99 cents. That's a great deal. And then they got some markers on sale. Index cards, 49 cents. They have some highlighters, Sharpie highlighters, 99 cents. Projector compass set, 49 cents. And then they got a thing of rubber bands for $1.99. Some more paper. And then they got some folders, loose leaf paper, some divider tabs. We got those. So it just depends on what you guys need. So here we have the Trident Mega. They're on sale this whole month for 3 for $3. You want to buy actually 3 of them, you would pay $3 for it. But then there is an IBOTTA deal where you get $1.99 back when you buy 2 of them. So you guys will end up just paying $3, get that $1.99 back, making your final total just $1.01 or 33 cents each, which is a great deal. If you guys need some IBOTTA rebates, we have the Zebra pens for $2.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You would end up paying $4.48, but then you get $1.50 back, so you get $3 back with IBOTTA, making it just $1.48 or 74 cents each for a pack of pens. Here is a great moneymaker this week, you guys. So the Compede, the regular boxes, the 12 count is $9 on sale. We currently have a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then we just received $5 off insert coupons. You guys would end up just paying $1.99 for one of these, but then you get a $5 rebate with IBOTTA. This is a limit of 1, but a $5 rebate, making this a $3.01 moneymaker. So here we have the Bactine for $9.79, but you want to actually have your store price match the online price for $7.99. Now we do have a $2 off digital coupon, and then there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You would end up just paying $3.99, but then there is a rebate with IBOTTA where you get $2.49 back, making this just $2 or $1.50. You guys would just get that bottle of Bactine for $1.50, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have these Splenda Shakes. My store sold out of it again, but this is basically what they look like. Now they are $7.99 all month long, but we do have a printable coupon that is no longer available, and the digital is no longer available. But if you guys have that printable coupon, you would just pay $3.99 for it, but then there is a $3 rebate with IBOTTA, making this just 99 cents. So if you guys have that, 99 cents for a 6-pack of shakes is an awesome deal. Here we have the Aspercreme for $8.49 at buy one, get one 50% off. Now I currently have a $3 off digital coupon, and from what I've noticed in the past, I always get a Catalina that prints off, but I won't know until my breakdowns for you guys. But anyways, you want to use that $3 off a digital coupon. You would pay $9.73, but then you get $4 back with a limit of 2, so you get $8 back with IBOTTA, making your final price for this just $1.73 or 86 cents each. Here's a really good deal if you guys store has this. This is the orange Alka-Seltzer Plus. They have it on clearance for $1.29. Then we have the Theraflu for 95 cents, but then if you do have it, you could possibly add it to the Walgreens booklet to make it free. So definitely check out and see if your store has any of these products on clearance. This week's deal of the week is Arm & Hammer. They have these for just $1.99, which is an okay deal if you guys need to stock up. Good morning, everybody. I am sorry if you hear raining, like dripping noise on the camera. It is raining, not as heavy as it was this morning, but it's raining a little bit. It's supposed to rain all day today. So first thing I do is I go to the store. I go to the cashier. I said, hey, is the system down? And she said no, it all worked out good. And I'm like, I don't understand how Walgreens is a multi-million-dollar company and they can't get the rewards thing fixed or anything. It looked like, I don't know if it was a regional thing or certain individual stores. I have no idea. I mean, even the phone lines were down at my store last week. I forgot to mention that. So they were just having problems like left and right, and I don't understand what was going on. But it was a bad week, and I said, you know, usually I worked retail for like I worked retail maybe 20 years, and like, I know how to respect people, but it takes a lot for me to get really mad at certain things, and I was mad last week for nothing working, and I know a lot of you guys deal with that on a regular basis, and I apologize, but you know, it just sucks. But anyways, let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. I got everything for free. I was really pushing the Weekend Warrior because I didn't do a Walmart haul this week because my mom was in town. I've been extremely busy with Etsy orders. I'm yeah, it's just getting crazy. But anyway, so I ended up getting some divider tabs. These were 49 cents. My son needs some for school, so I just got these for him. I mean, for 49 cents, you can't go wrong with that. So I ended up using that. And so I was at the register getting the dial deal. Now, I totally forgot. Now, if there is a coupon where it says like 5 off of 2 or 5 off of 3, you guys need to get the same item. You need to get the same item, like scent-wise, because it didn't work. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. I have to have 2 of the same things. So I ended up having to put some stuff back and get the same flavors is what I call them. So if you guys have that problem, make sure you guys are getting the same things for those digital coupons to work. I think it's stupid, but that's how things work. But anyways, here we have the dial. These were 2 for $8. You want to buy 4 or buy 3 of them, you would use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just pay $10 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase them. And you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 each, so you get $1 back with IBOTTA, making 3 of these just $2 or 66 cents each, which is a great deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I ended up having the store price match this to $7.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon and a $2 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You would pay $3.99 for this, but then you get a $2.49 rebate back with IBOTTA, making this just $1.50. So it's an okay deal. We actually use this when my husband got severely sunburned because he doesn't think he needs to wear sunscreen all the time because he tans towards I just burn, and he actually did burn, and I'm like, he needs something with lidocaine in it, and this has 4% lidocaine in it, so it does help a little bit if you guys do get sunburned. So you got that. I also got the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $1.99. I know some people go crazy for that, so if you guys need to go ahead. Now, the Catalina did not print. Now, it's a hit or miss. I don't know if it's gonna print or not, but I just wanted to let you guys know in case you guys get one. I did have one, but it expired a couple days ago. So I ended up getting the Asper cream. These were $8.49 at buy one, get one 50% off. I used a $3 off digital coupon. You would pay $9.73 for it, but then you get $4 back and $4 back with IBOTTA, making it $1.73 or 86 cents each, which is a pretty great deal if you need to go ahead and do that. The Compeed is an easy money maker this week, you guys. So this is $9.99 regular price. There is a $5 off insert coupon that we just got in today's inserts, and then there's that $3 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You would just get this for $1.99, but then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $5, making this a $3.01 money maker, you guys. $3.01 money maker. Yes. I ended up getting the gum. I wish my store only had the spearmint, but they had another flavor that also includes in the mega. Now, I went down the regular candy aisle. This gum was not in that aisle. They have another spot. The gum was not there. They have candy underneath the register. It was not there, but it was behind you when you're at the register. So, like, check all the gum spots if you guys can. But this is the Trident Mega, 3 for $3. It's on sale this month, all month long. So I'll probably be getting a ton of gum. Remember, like, I don't know if you guys followed me, like, oh, I don't know if it was like 4 or 5 years ago. I had so much gum that I gave everybody a whole pack of gum for Halloween. That's how much gum we had. That's how much gum we had, you guys. It was crazy. I miss those days. But anyways, you would pay $3 for the 3 of these, but then you can submit your receipt for $1.99 off of 2 with IBOTTA, making these just $1.01 or like 33 cents, 34 cents each, which is a great deal. I want some gum. Probably have some right after I'm done with this. Then we have the Burt's Bees toothpaste. Now, these are on sale this week for $4. You would want to use 2 $2 off insert coupons that we got from our P&G. You would end up just paying $4 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward. So you get that $5 register reward. This comes out to be a $1 money maker. You guys will get these absolutely for free. I also got the Crest toothpaste and the Crest mouthwash. Where's the other toothbrush? So I ended up getting 2 of the toothbrushes, and then I got the toothpaste. So what I ended up using is, these were $3. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon and a $2 off paper coupon. You would pay $4 for this, but then you get that $5 register reward when you buy the 2 items. It was 3 items, I think. But then this all comes out to be a $1 moneymaker. $1 moneymaker. I did use the paper coupon, otherwise there is a digital, so it depends on how you guys want to go for it. You definitely do that. And I have one more deal. Nope, I got 2 deals to share with you guys. I ended up doing the zebra pens because I was trying to get my weekend warrior, and my mom's always complaining how she wants pens. Like, my mom's just like, I never have pens in my house. I'm like, Mom, they grow on trees at my house. So I'm like, let's get her some pens, because she's very particular about pens, and I know she likes colored ones, and I'm like, here, we'll just get her some pens. So here we got some zebra pens. These were $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You would end up paying $4.48 for these, I think, but then you can submit your receipt for $1.50 back with IBOTTA, so that's $3 back with IBOTTA, making these just $1.48 or 74 cents each, which I think is a pretty good deal. And I love colored and I love clickable pens, so I got that. And then I also got the Colgate toothpaste and toothbrush. These were $3.99 on sale. I used a $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste and a $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrush. You would end up just paying $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making both of these for free. And I really like the red ones. I really like the black ones. Like, my husband and I's favorite color is black, so he always likes to use the black toothbrushes. I know, weird, but I'm weird too. Anyways, my total came out to be $38.96. Now, I did use all my register rewards that I wanted to use last week that I couldn't, and I ended up paying with some points, so I don't pay hardly any of that. I paid less than probably $5 to $10 for everything. But that is before points and all that fun stuff is factored in. But $38.96, I did receive $15 worth of register rewards. I got 3 $5 register rewards. That is for the dial, the Crest, and the Burt's Bees. So I got the 3 $5 register rewards. I did receive $9.27 of points. I think it was because I spent so much, so I got the $5 deal. And then I also got the $4 back for the Colgate. So we got that. And then with IBOTTA, I received $23.48. Usually it says that I get my money right away, but I just got one text saying that I got half of it. But $23.48. That is for the Compete for $5. I got the $3 back for the dial. I got $1.99 back for the Trident. I got $3 back for the Zebra. I got $2.49 for the Bactine, and I got $8 back for the Aspercream. I really wanted to do the Splenda deal, but yeah, and I think I need one more rebate to finish off the Weekend Warrior. So we'll see if we can hit that at CVS. So my grand total for everything came to be an $8.79 moneymaker. You guys, I got everything absolutely for free, which I absolutely love it when I get everything for free and I make a profit. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you enjoy this video and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. I absolutely love it when I get new subscribers. That's like the highlight of my day. I've been obsessed with that since I was like first started YouTube. I absolutely love helping as many people as I can, and when you guys subscribe to my channel, that is me helping you guys out also. So big thank you on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.